In this video, I'm going to dive into this powerful AI website called Codedesign and create a short review about this AI website with the common features and the pros and cons of this website. So let's get started. Codedesign AI is a bit different. It uses AI to help you design, but it also helps with code. Want a strong custom site? These tools can help. It's good for more advanced users or more who want more control of their website. And here's the key benefit about this particular website. It comes with a comprehensive AI-powered website and app builder, a wide range of designs and development tools, integrates with many third-party services, also offer advanced customization option with strong for complex project. And talking about the pricing plan, they have free pricing plan, which is the starter plan, a pro plan, and the agency plan. So if you want more about this, you can just simply refer to the website to check more about their pricing plan. And here's the pros about this website. Many advanced features with strong for complex project and also integrate with many tools and powered design option. And here the downside, a steeper learning curve, can be a bit difficult to study and can also be overwhelming for beginners and high cost than essential tools. And that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this AI website.